from a brand as like a gift because of like lockdown, and they sent me these 2 flavors of cookie dough. Anyways, let's make some cookies. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. As you can see, I am currently in my overalls because I'm getting ready to head over to our place and do some painting. I'm just gonna see like what I can get done by myself. Never really painted a wall before, but I'm sure it can't be that hard. When I get home, I've got quite a few content jobs that I need to shoot today, so that is why I've got all this makeup on, in case you're wondering. Anyways, let's go! It is like 3 o'clock. I have yet to have lunch, which is not very good, but I've just been really busy today. So I'm gonna make myself a smoothie. I typically eat something that's like a little bit more filling for lunch, but yeah, I can't really be bothered to make anything right now. And I also have these really overripe bananas, so I think I will use one of them. I am shooting another job today, hence the makeup in lockdown. I think I've got maybe 8 outfits to shoot, so it'll definitely take me all day today. Before I get started, I actually need to go and pick up some more paint for the painters, which actually came today. So yeah, they're there now and they are painting. I just got to Fit Gardens to get some ingredients for dinner, and it just really hit me that I seriously miss going to the movies and just like getting popcorn and a drink and like a choc top and just like the whole experience. I haven't done that for so long and I just really, really miss it. Lipstick on because I'm going to have a mask on in a second, but anyways, it's the weekend. We're pretty much going to be spending the whole weekend moving Nick's entire apartment into our new place. Anyways, I'm just going to finish packing my bag and I'm going to head to Nick's house and we're going to start packing everything.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
Existence into our new place this weekend. The only thing left to move is like his big furniture pieces, which we're just going to bring with us at the moment because we currently don't have any other furniture, so we can just replace it as we decide to, I guess. But for the meantime, all of these things will be absolutely fine. I think it's like not even 8:30 right now and I'm already so tired. Just made myself some ginger tea, which is hopefully going to just like de-bloat me a little bit because yeah, my stomach and even my face and everything just feels really swollen at the moment. I've been eating so many pastries and burgers and chips and just like all the good stuff this weekend. So yes, we are back onto the healthy eating as of tomorrow. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. That is all. And yeah, I'll see you very soon.